How to see hours played on PS4. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see hours played on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to see hours played on PS4, it's actually quite simple to view so. All you have to do is, let's say you want to find the number of hours that you've played a specific game or spent on your PlayStation console, and if you'd like to find out how many hours you've played, all you have to do is simply head over to this profile section that you will be able to find at the top of the navigation menu. When you go to the profile section, you'll be able to see all the sorts of options, where on the left hand side you'll be able to find the option called games. Now so far I actually haven't played enough games to show you the progress, but if you've played a specific game, you'll be able to see the progress as well as also the number of hours played next to that specific game. And this way you'll be able to see hours played on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.